In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your YouTube short loop seamlessly in InVideo. By the end, your short will play continuously without a jarring restart, which is great for retention and overall viewer experience. First, open InVideo in your browser. This is the platform we'll use to handle the looping for you with a simple AI prompt. Once you're in, navigate to your existing YouTube short project. This should be the project you want to loop. Give the editor a moment to open it fully. You'll know it's ready when you can see your timeline, preview window, and the panels with your media and controls. If things feel a bit sluggish, that's normal while assets and effects load, especially if your project includes high-resolution clips or multiple elements. When your project is fully loaded, look for the prompt box inside InVideo. This is the text field where you can give the editor AI-powered instructions. Click inside that prompt box and type exactly, "Make the video loop." Using that precise wording helps the system understand your goal, which is to create a seamless handoff from the end of your short back to the beginning. Next, click on Generate. This triggers InVideo to analyze your clip and apply changes that make the transition from the last frame to the first frame feel natural. In many cases, the tool aligns visuals and audio so the loop feels continuous, which is especially important on shorts since they replay automatically. Now wait for generation to complete. You might see a progress indicator or brief messages as InVideo processes your request. The time this takes can vary based on the length and complexity of your short, so don't worry if it's not instant. Just let the tool finish so it can apply all the necessary adjustments under the hood. And that's it. Done. Your project is now set to loop. From here, when your short plays, it should roll straight from the end back to the beginning without a noticeable cut. This makes the viewing experience smoother and often encourages more watch time, because viewers are less likely to notice the repeat. If you ever need to repeat these steps for another short, you'll follow the same flow. Open InVideo, open your short, let it load, use the prompt box with Make the Video Loop, click Generate, and wait for the process to finish. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the cleaner, more professional loop on your YouTube short.